All right, for the last two examples, you guys just did cosecant of negative 45, you should have gotten negative square roots of 2. And secant of 330, you should get 2 over the square root of 3. The last examples, the last set of examples we need to work on here are the determining exact values when working with radians. So, what's nice about these is we can always, by looking just at our denominator, step 1 tells us we can determine our reference angle just by looking at our denominator. My denominator on my first example is 6, so I know my reference angle, if it's got a denominator of 6, is going to be 30 degrees. Now the only thing I need to figure out is which quadrant this would be in for 11 pi over 6. So I can draw or sketch that angle. Well, 11 pi over 6 is really 1 and 5/6 of pi. So remember, if I'm working in radians, I start at 0 and halfway is pi. So up here it's pi over 2 and 3/2 of pi. So if my angle is 1 and 5/6 of pi, well, 1 pi is all the way over here, and then I need to go 5/6 more of pi. So I'm almost going up to 2 pi, but not quite. So I'm in the 4th quadrant. Now I know this triangle in here, my reference angle is 30. So I know my hypotenuse is 1, my short side is 1/2, and my long side is square root of 3 over 2, or 1/2 times the square root of 3. So for sine, I can build opposite over hypotenuse. So my opposite is 1/2. My hypotenuse is 1, so dividing by 1 does nothing. And finally, determine, is this thing supposed to be positive or negative? So we need all students take calculus. In our 4th quadrant here, only cosine is positive. Therefore, this sine in the 4th quadrant must be negative. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more examples. Go ahead and try them out.